Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. Within this video I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the air filter on a 2018 Kia Cerato. First off, come over to the right hand side of the vehicle, or the driver's side of the vehicle in this instance, and open up the bonnet by pulling this lever. There's a lever just above the Kia badge, push that to the left, open that up fully and you will notice the bonnet stay over the left hand side. We're going to put that in that hole there. With the engine bay now open and safely secured, you will notice over the right hand side is the battery, the engine bay fuse box and the air box just below that. Now there's two clips to get into the air box, and this is where we'll find our air filter. So one to the right, one on the right bottom corner. Once those are undone, rotate the air box up, and this will actually open up and expose your air filter. It's our air filter here. Now this car is relatively new, only 14,000 kilometres, so the air filter we don't need to change. However, you will notice there's some debris in the bottom of the box. Now there's no harm in vacuuming that out, which will stop it clogging the filter. To put it back together, just drop the filter in the right way round, making sure the shape fits and the fins are facing down. Rotate the lid back round, do up both of our clips, and that is now secure. If you found this video helpful, please give me the thumb up and subscribe to my channel.